All right, here we have Mani Me subscription box for November. The theme is Merry and Fright. So it's a mashup of Halloween and Christmas. So first off, we have the card here that describes the polishes on the back. We have Hail Santa and Holly Hell this month. Next up is a card with an example mani, and on the back it has instructions to create one of the nails using products in this box. We have a new sticker holding the tissue paper together. So if you've been a subscriber, you may notice that's different. First up, I'm going to open the polishes. It takes me a second to get these out. First up is Holly Hell, and it's a super shimmery green. And at the end of this video, I will swatch these, so stay tuned. And next up is Hail Santa, which is described as a deep red. I think in the bottle it looks more purple, but when you stamp it, it definitely does have more of a red hue to it. This month's free gift is a really cool sponging tool. Here's an instruction booklet. This could be really helpful if it's your first time stamping. Next up are the plates. We have MXM 092, which has some full coverage and some single images. And then the next plate is MXN 091. And again, some full coverage and single images. And then here's the sponging tool that's included this month. So it comes with kind of a pointier sponge and a rounder sponge. And then we have 2 replacement heads for each style. This is described as being used for doing gradients or applying glitter. I think it could be really cool for applying like a sponged edge around the nail. Next up, we're going to swatch. First up is Holly Hell. Again, this is a really shimmery green, and I think it is so beautiful. I was so impressed when I swatched this. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I'm really excited to use this. That's just one coat. It's so opaque. Here's the second coat. And then next, I'm going to stamp it. Stamp it over black first. I'm using one of the skull and snowflake designs, and I'm going to use my gummy stamper to stamp this. It's my favorite stamper for doing an all-over design. Picks up beautifully. Such a beautiful polish. Wait until you see it over black. I like to press my nail into the stamper so I can see where I'm applying the design. And it gets in focus here. Sorry about that. There you go. All right, now I'm going to apply it over white. I'm using a low scraping angle, and I did shake this polish really well before I stamped it. I recommend that for any metallic polish. And this gummy stamper is so fantastic to use with metallic polishes. If you're having a hard time with metallics, try to find the stickiest stamper you own. And there it is over white. Next up is Hail Santa. And again, it even kind of looks kind of like maybe a maroon or a burgundy as you're painting it on, but as you stamp it over white especially, it definitely picks up more of the red hue in the polish. And that's one coat. Here's 2 coats. It definitely gets more opaque with 2 coats. Beautiful formula. I love the shimmer in it. And now I'll stamp it over black. And as you notice in this video, I am stamping real time. I have not sped this up at all. So you can get an idea of my speed when I'm stamping. You want to work quick because you don't want the polish to dry on the design. And there's the snowflake design. I'll stamp it over black. And this one is a little bit harder to see over black, but I think it could be really beautiful for some subtle stamping. And I'm going to stamp it over white. Same thing, kind of a low scraping angle, and my favorite stamper. Picks up perfect. And by the way, this is the first time I've stamped with this polish. I didn't edit out a bunch of attempts to pick up a good design. That stamper is just that good.